Hi, I'm Lisa Endicott. I'm here at the McConnell Botanical Gardens here at Turtle Bay. And today we are talking about plants that bloom at this time of the year. Right now we're in mid-March. And I am standing next to a Euphorbia, and there's lots of different types of Euphorbias. There's some Euphorbias look like cactus. These Euphorbias that I'm standing next to right now, these are Euphorbia caryacus, and they're Euphorbia caryacus wolfenii. And the wolfenii is particularly large here. You can see I'm 5 foot nothing, so you can see how tall these guys get. And they bloom for a very long time, and when they're done blooming, the foliage is just spectacular. And these are one of my favorite plants here in the gardens. They're so easy to take care of. When you have stems that are old and are, dead and no longer attractive, you just go ahead and reach in and cut those guys out. But other than that, once a year kind of maintenance, that's it. That's all they need. These are from the Mediterranean basin, and they grow next to rocks and kind of out of rocks almost, and they are very drought tolerant, which is perfect for our Mediterranean climate zone that we live in here in Redding, California. So now we're going to talk about Euphorbia rigida. Euphorbia rigida is a ground cover euphorbia, and it likes to seed out. So we started with 12 plants in here, and now we must have over 100. And they are happy growers, fast growers, very drought tolerant. They can also grow and bloom in shade. I think every garden should include Euphorbia rigida.